Hey guys, welcome back to Inner Cosmetics. Elbene here, and so another part of my journey, locks. And why is that? Well, if you're new to this channel, you already know that I'm into all things spiritual, hence the name Inner Cosmetics. And if you take a look back at my hair journey, it has been through so many stages with me. You know, being colored, pressing it, straightening it. The last thing I did was a Japanese straightening, and that was the last treatment that I've done on my hair before I cut it all off. And I cut it off because the energy was just calling for it. And so it was like this, best way to describe it, like this icky energy that I had, and to the point where I just couldn't take it any longer. And so I got all of my hair cut off. And since then, one of the things I've done with my hair was doing faux locks. And so as my hair began blossoming after the cut, I went back to faux locks and really fell in love with them so much that I decided to make them a longer part of my journey. And what's up next is the results of me locking my hair. All right, so I'm back. Yesterday, I did my locks. And so today, here are the effects of it. It was about 80, ended up being around 89 locks that I put in. And even though I had intended on doing the 2-strand twist, the reason behind the 2-strand twist, I wanted to actually do the coils, but I had told myself, like, I'm just going to do the 2-strand because I don't know how to do the coils with a comb. Funny thing is, my hair was so silky. I had gotten the comb. I was going to start the 2-strand, but it was just so easy. It just fell into place like everything in life, right? When you let go. And so it was so simple that I ended up doing my entire head with coils. So again, this is about 89, 90, 80 something, around that range. It took around 2 hours for me. Now I will say, as far as not lotions, but shampoo, conditioner, the conditioner that I use, this is my first time using this, and I'm going to actually share it with you guys because it was so good. It's Shea Moistures, and it's a leave-in conditioner. Manuka honey and Mafura oil. I never heard of that, but intensive hydration. And then all I did was also add oil to my hair as well. And it was super, super, super soft. So wanted to share that with you as well. Yeah, so here it is. And I loved it. I loved it. Even though it took a couple hours, it was this relationship, that I had with my hair. So just encouraging you that you can do it if you are considering, I'm going to go to a loctician because I'm not able to do it. There is nothing wrong with what you decide to do, but you can do it. And what's also wonderful is when you wake up, like I did, you had those moments to say, you know what, I actually could have made this part a little smaller. So I actually went through, there was a couple that I saw on the front of my head, and I was like, I could actually make them a little smaller. So I did that because they're not quite locked, right? You just did it. So just be easy on yourself. And I will be giving you guys updates from here on out, but I'm loving it already. Talk to you guys soon. And thanks for watching and supporting the channel and being a part of the journey.